go beyond.
New vacancy at Abu Dhabi. Site engineer. Civil. We are urgently looking for a civil site engineer with solid experience in building construction projects. The ideal candidate should possess strong technical knowledge, site coordination skills, and the ability to manage day-to-day site activities efficiently. Supervise and manage daily site activities to ensure project execution as per approved drawings and specifications. Coordinate with subcontractors, suppliers, and the project team for smooth workflow. Requirements: bachelor's degree in civil engineering, 3 to 4 years of relevant experience in building construction within the UAE preferred, strong knowledge of site execution, construction procedures, and safety regulations, good communication and coordination skills, ability to work independently and under pressure. Only candidates currently available in the UAE will be considered. Candidates must be willing and available to attend a face-to-face interview in Abu Dhabi. Salary benefits. Salary and benefits will be based on the candidate's experience and qualifications. Attractive packages will be offered. CV submission. Candidates who are seriously looking for a job change may send their CVs to anisha.jayan@ourawabit.com.
Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest career opportunities in the UAE.